Welcome to the Garagisti. My name is Sam Craven. Appreciate you coming in and visiting our page to see how we like to do things. I'm going to give you a quick tour here real quick. And in this tour, I'm going to show you our facilities a little bit and show you how we like to do things around here and what you can expect when you bring your car in for service. So one of the very first things you notice when you walk in here is just how clean and how well organized our waiting area is. We've all been to the kind of place where you get your car worked on and the waiting area is kind of dingy. We like to make sure it's absolutely a great place to hang out. We've got Wi-Fi, we've got water, we've got coffee, we've got beer even, okay? But one of the most important things is way that you can judge a good service facility is how clean they keep their shop. It is 2 o'clock on a Tuesday, and I promise you we haven't done any special cleaning for this, but I want to show you guys what our actual shop looks like. So take a step outside here real quick and have a look. So one of the first things you should notice is how clean our floor is. What customers' cars look like, how organized we are, and this is the same type of thing that same type of experience you would have at most dealers. And what this means is that we're equipped to take care of you, the customer. Now, one of the other things you want to make sure you take notice on is not just how clean their facilities are and how well they take care of their car, but also how well we take care of you, the client. So what we do differently for every car who comes in the door is we'll do a complete front to back vehicle inspection on your car and look and diagnose what you came in for, but then we don't just tell you to just trust us. We actually do a complete digital vehicle inspection on that car, and then we put the power in your hands to decide what the steps forward are for you and your car. So we're really trying to close that knowledge gap that exists between our master technicians and the people who own the cars that we service. So take a look around. Hope you look at some of our pictures. Appreciate you coming out and watching this video, and hope to see you soon for service.